recommend Simon Baker in London as a cranial sacral therapist who can help people with tinnitus. This is one of his specializations. There are not that many of us around, and I quite often get very busy, so I really would like to recommend Simon highly as another therapist to go to. I had a session from him a few weeks ago, and I left floating on air feeling incredibly calm and relaxed with a lovely clear head, and he helped me release a lot of tension that I wasn't aware of. This is the magic of having another person work on you, because objectively they can go in and they can really help release stuff that you're not aware of. So cranial work is very good for dropping you into a state of stillness and calm, and tinnitus generally doesn't like that state very much. So if you want to if people want to get in touch with you, where's the best place to find your information?
My website is the place to go to, which is simonbakerholistichealth.com, and all the information for me is on there. My email's on there, my phone number, and the contacts, and the areas that I work and what I can offer.
So you're in central London and East London?
So I work, I work around London, but I'm based east, so Hackney mostly, Bow, but I also work from some North London, and also some central. So yeah,
so tinnitus people can go to East London to Simon, and I'm in West London over here.
Exactly, exactly. So, but yeah, so simonbakerholistichealth.com.
Great, thank you very much.
All right, thanks, Julie.